The Imagebon 10.26-inch Android 13 dash cam emerges as a game-changer, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge features to elevate your driving experience. Boasting wireless CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, full HD video recording, GPS navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity, this device is a testament to innovation and convenience. With the Imagebon dashcam's high-definition reversing camera, when reversing, the system automatically activates the rear camera, providing a clear view of the road behind on the reverse IPS screen. Equipped with 1080p full-screen resolution and guidelines for precise maneuvering, you can navigate tight spaces with confidence. Plus, the adjustable preview angle ensures optimal visibility, empowering you to master even the trickiest parking situations. The Imagebon dashcam packs a punch with its Unisoc 8581A processor. Leveraging advanced CPU and GPU architecture, this powerhouse delivers a 50% plus performance boost, ensuring smooth operation and seamless multitasking. Whether navigating GPS routes, streaming multimedia content, or running multiple applications simultaneously, the dashcam handles it all with ease, keeping you connected and informed on the go. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, simply connect your smartphone and instantly access your favorite apps, navigation services, and more directly from the car's screen. Whether you're an iOS or Android user, the Imagebon dashcam provides a seamless and intuitive interface, allowing you to stay connected without distractions. Stay connected and focused on the road ahead with Bluetooth connectivity. Pair your smartphone with the car's screen to enjoy hands-free calling and access to your phone book. With the ability to make calls, send messages, and control music playback with simple voice commands or touchscreen gestures, you can stay connected safely and effortlessly while on the move. The Imagebon 10.26-inch Android 13 dashcam shines as a beacon of innovation. With its high-definition reversing camera, powerful processor, seamless connectivity options, and hands-free convenience, this device transforms your driving experience from mundane to extraordinary. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on epic road trips, the Imagebon dashcam ensures that you stay connected, informed, and safe every step of the way.